Welcome to Math Calendar 2022. On this segment, problems will be posted every Sunday and solutions will be posted every Friday. On this video presentation, we're going to show the answer and solution to our featured problem for week number 9. So please subscribe and click that notification bell to be updated with our math problems and solutions on Math Calendar. Before we continue, let us appreciate and recognize those who participated and commented their answers to our featured problem. You may also suggest a math problem that you would like us to feature on Math Calendar. Here now is our featured problem for week number 9. You are a traveler in City A and you must reach City B by nightfall or else you will be eaten by a lion. Obviously, you want to take the shortest path that is only going east and north. How many ways can you go if you must follow the path from A to B? Here's our suggested solution. The number of ways to walk from one corner to another of an M by N grid can be calculated by the following formula. If N is the number of ways to walk from A to B, then this is equal to M plus N combination N. And this is equal to M plus N factorial over M plus N minus N factorial, that will be M factorial times N factorial. In this problem, we have M is equal to 3. We have 3 rows. And N is equal to 3 also because we have 3 columns. So, if M equals 3 and N is equal to 3 in our problem, then the number of ways to walk from A to B is given by 3 plus 3 combination 3, and this is equal to 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. In the denominator, we have 3 factorial and the other 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial over 3 factorial is equal to 1. Also, 6 over 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 1. Then we have 5 times 4 over 1, and this is equal to 20. Hence, there are 20 ways to go from A to B. Let us use another method of solving this problem, and that is using direct counting. Using east and north directions, we're going to count the number of ways of reaching City B from City A. Notice that if we're going to use the edges of the path, we have 2 ways. First, from A going east, and then at the corner, going north to reach City B. That is one way. Another is from A, beginning with north direction, and then at the corner, turn east. So that will be another way. That is 2 ways. Now, if we have one way of using first the east direction, then each of the corners in that direction will also have one way of reaching it. So there's one way of reaching this location, one way here, and also another one way of reaching that direction. Also going north, if there's one way going to the corner before turning east, then there is also one way of reaching each of the intersection in that direction. Let us consider the corners or the intersection in the interior of the path from A to B. Consider this location or this corner. There are two ways of reaching this corner, that is going east then north, or going north then east. So that will be two ways in reaching this direction. Let us consider another one. Say this corner. There are three ways of reaching this corner. That is going east and then north. That's one. Another is going north then east. That's the second one. And then going east, north, and then east. That will be a total of three ways of reaching this corner. Let us consider another corner. There are three ways in reaching this corner also. That is going east and then north. That's one. Also going north and then east. Also going north, east, and then north. So we have three ways of reaching this corner. From this point, we can already see a pattern that at each corner in the path going from A to B, we're just adding some number of ways. To have three ways reaching this location, that is 2 plus 1. Also going to this location, we have 2 plus 1, that is 3. If we follow the same pattern, then reaching this location in the path from A to B, we have 4 ways. And that is from 3 ways going to this location and 1 way using this corner. That will be a total of 3 plus 1, 4. The same thing holds true with other corners in the path. Reaching this location will have 6 ways. That is the sum of 3 ways from this location and then also 3 from this location. That will be 6 ways. Let us continue following the pattern. So reaching this corner will be 4 ways. And then reaching that corner in the path, we have 10 ways. That is 6 plus 4. And reaching this corner will be 4 plus 6, 10 ways. Hence, in total, to reach city B, we have 10 plus 10 number of ways. So there are 20 ways using east and north direction going from city A to city B. Most of our participants use the first method of solving, and that is using combinatorics, and they got the correct answer. In here, let us show you the solution of one of our participants, and that is using direct counting. She counted manually the number of ways going from city A to city B and also got the correct answer. Tune in again on Sunday for another featured problem on Math Calendar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more of Math Calendar.